knows it's like really going to fire. Oh, I can't believe I thought that for sure I was going to get a picture on that one. You try to drop that right elbow a little bit more. Ouch!
That was a better setup. $250 right off the bat. Boom! He's going after it.
It doesn't like the
252. Shift the weight faster, right? Little short and quick back to the left. Boom! Uh-oh! I'm feeling it.
no looking now.
No looking now. Now it's got to be a looker to get that far. Oh, it's looking, it's looking.
Baby.
53, 2 yards off. Harder, swing harder. Take it long like a John Daly. Ooh, he did go for a long swing that time. Ooh, it's a looker again. It's to the left. That might be good. That's a good. Oh no, came in. Ooh, 253 again.
That's a little further than the other one now.
It may be, but I know. If you're left of the pin, it goes further. You got to get that left of the pin looker. Should got the analysis on that 255er I hit. I wonder what that equate into the real world. 255 on the Wii. Can he do it? Ooh, he went hard. Is it a looker? Nope. We know it's not a looker. You tried your best, man.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
I had the best shot though.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. You had the best shot.
There we go.